Is your iPhone showing Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found in iOS 15? Let's get right into the tutorial and fix this. Launch the Settings application on your device. If you are using cellular data, then make sure your data is working properly. Tap on Cellular Data Options and make sure the toggle button for Low Data Mode is not toggled on. Go back, and if you are using Wi-Fi network, then tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is good. If not, click on the Info button beside the Wi-Fi you are connected to and tap on the Forget This Network option and rejoin again. Go back to Settings and scroll down and find the Safari application now, and scroll down again to the bottom and tap on Advanced and then on Website Data. Tap on Remove All Website and Data and then on Remove Now. Doing this will remove all the data. Now go back and tap on Clear History and Website Data, and now tap on Clear History Data. Clearing will remove history, cookies, and other browsing data. If your Clear History and Website Data is grayed out, then you can tell that your history and website data is cleared. Check if the problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, go to General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Setting. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and password, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings will be returned to factory default. Also tap on Cellular again. Scroll down and make sure the toggle button for Safari is toggled on for Safari to work on cellular mode. Now, if you go to your home screen and open the Safari application and make a search, then you can see the Safari is working just fine. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.